How to choose pay now versus pay at property on hotels.com. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. On hotels.com we can choose pay now or pay at property during the checkout process when booking a hotel. So we can just go over and follow this process to choose the payment option. So let's get started. So for that we can basically go to hotels.com and search for a hotel, find the specific hotel and select the room that we want. So we can go to hotel page, scroll down and find the reservation page, look at the rooms available, and click on the option called reserve to reserve it. And when we click on the option called reserve, we should be finding payment option page, or it should directly pop up sometime like this as well. So we can just go over and select one of the options before completing the booking. So here we have pay now and pay in property. So if we select this pay now option, we need to pay the full amount immediately online, often gives lower prices or special discounts and refunds depending upon the cancellation policy. And we have another which is pay at property, which will basically, which is something we pay when we arrive at the hotel. Usually requires a credit card to hold a reservation and more flexible for cancellations in many cases. And we can use this method right here. Use the method that you prefer. And some of the hotels may only offer one payment option, so both may not always appear. You can check out the hotels and, look out for them. And that's it, everybody. That is how you basically choose that option on hotels.com. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.